Hi dearest, so today I'm going to be showing you how I turned this rope-like thing into a lovely accessory that I put on my Zara cap. Now if you have something like ordinary even ropes or anything that looks like it, you can do the same with it and be creative and make it turn into a lovely accessory you can put on your heart, your clothes, your fascinator, your turban. So my dear, take your seat, put on your seatbelt and enjoy this ride. Take note, I'm making use of fishing line so that the sewing is not visible. It's hidden when you use that, or you can make use of the same thread as the accessory that you're going to be turning into what you will see me do. Relax, keep watching and learning. And if you enjoyed seeing this and you'd like to see the full video on how I made the Zara cap that you saw me attaching this to, then click this next video.